Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. I am just popping on today with a very quick video. Obviously I realised that this month I am hosting the hashtag Harvest and Home DP event over on Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. But I really need to talk to you about next month's event, which is for September. That is in conjunction with Pam Diamond Painting. And it is super important that if you want to take part and you don't have a Pam canvas yet, you need to get that ordered this week. So this is your reminder. Go have a look at her site. Links will all be down at below. And make sure that you have got something. Of course, if you already have a canvas from Pam in your stash, you are free to use that. So a little bit about the event. It is the hashtag Pam party because September is Pam's birthday and also mine. So it's a really nice way for us both to get together and celebrate and do something to support her small business. Just to talk about the prizes for this event. So the September event, there will be prize boxes and these will include things like diamond painting pens, trays, kits, other goodies, all sorts of things. And there will also be vouchers. The UK people that take part will be getting vouchers, and also there will be some prize boxes as well, as Pam is kindly sending them over to the UK for me to share with you all. Also, the overseas people, you will get prize boxes, and then there'll be a grand prize, which will be an international anybody can win it prize, which is a piece of original artwork from the lovely Sara Rose, who is one of the artists who is signed with Pam. So if you want to go do a Sara Rose diamond painting, you can do. I will pop up some links to my unboxings of some of her work. It is honestly gorgeous. Do go and check it out. But yes, so you need to, let me just check. Yeah, so you need to get your order in. What is going on with my camera? It is on a little journey. Sorry. Yeah, you need to get your order in with Pam if you haven't done so already this week in order to make sure that you receive your canvas in time for the event. That is the main thing that you need to know. Canvas can be any size, doesn't matter. Can be any theme. Customs are fine if you've got a custom through Pam. If you have already started it and you've only done a little bit, that's fine too. But obviously if you've nearly finished, that doesn't really, it's not really fair. So just think about what sort of percentage of the canvas you've already worked on. I am still not sure what I'm going to work on. Probably a Sara Rose canvas, but we will see. I will talk about that a little bit nearer the time, but I just wanted to get this video out there and say, please do go check out Pam's group on Facebook, check out her website, get signed up, and yeah, go check out the event. I will have more information coming up nearer the time. This is still, sorry, I'm going to be like on there. I'm going to leave all this in because honestly, you know, why not? Oh, I'm slowly ducking down below the camera. Anyway, so things I needed to mention to you. This is the last week for you to get your orders in. Do contact Pam if there's any issues. She's so nice, honestly. I'm sure she'll try and help you. It's any size, any theme, as long as it comes from Pam. It can be from your stash or it can be a new order, that's fine. Event starts on the 1st of September. I will have videos every Wednesday, live videos every Wednesday. They go live at 8 o'clock PM UK time, and I will be drawing some winners then each week, and then we'll be doing some stuff over on the Facebook group as well. So there's lots going on. Yeah, let me know if you've got any questions down below and I will try and answer them for you. I think that's probably all we need to say for now, and I'm going to be off the screen if I keep trying to record like this. This is why I don't do face cam. So anyway, yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. Ask. Somebody knows of a really good arm for their recording phone, let me know, because oh, it's so frustrating. Anyway, enough whinging from me. It's all hot and sticky here as well, which is rubbish. It's making me very grumpy. Anyway, I am blathering, as is the case. If any of you have ever been to my live streams, this is what it's like. It's just a stream of consciousness and weirdness. But yeah, so that's all from me for today. Let me know down below if you're taking part. Ask any questions that you've got, and I'll speak to you soon. Stay crafty.